Serhiy Haidai, the head of the Luhansk Oblast Military Administration, reported that approximately 200 occupiers were killed as a result of an explosion in the occupied Sawataway on the night of 17 September. Haidai said during a 24/7 national joint newscast, "Tonight in Sawataway there was an explosion at the former bus station, which was turned into a hotel. Approximately 200 Russian soldiers were killed there." Haidai also reported that the Russians were withdrawing their troops to the rear line and preparing for defense. But warehouses also explode, and they may have certain problems with ammunition, he noted. The head of the Oblast Military Administration also reported that the occupiers are very actively jamming all communications, both mobile and the internet, and are conducting thorough inspections of the local population. Meantime, Ukrainians are showing again their sense of humor. The group of captured Russian soldiers is yelling, "Glory to Ukraine and something bad for Putin."
Слава Україні! Слава Україні! Героям слава! Ще раз, блядь, скажете тихо, розстріляють зараз до знаку всіх. Слава Україні! Героям слава! Путін! Гуйло! Голосніше! Путін! Гуйло! Отак, блядь. Документ.
The UK intelligence in its regular update is saying that Russia has likely lost 4 combat jets in Ukraine within last 10 days. The UK Defense Ministry added that Russia has lost approximately 55 combat jets since the start of the full-scale invasion. There is a realistic possibility that this uptick in losses is partially a result of the Russian Air Force accepting greater risk as it attempts to provide close air support to Russian ground forces under pressure from Ukrainian advances. Russian pilots' situational awareness is often poor. There is a realistic possibility that some aircraft have strayed over enemy territory and into denser air defense zones as the front lines have moved rapidly. Russia's continued lack of air superiority remains one of the most important factors underpinning the fragility of its operational design in Ukraine, the ministry concluded.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.